I'm Kate from Prezly, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to set up your site contacts in your newsroom. So site contacts are really useful to have in your newsroom, in press releases, in email campaigns or pitches that you send out, because they just tell whoever is reading your press release who they can get in touch with for more information. So this is an example of what your site contact card might look like from one of our clients. They're really easy to set up. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your Prezly account and select the site that you want to add site contacts for, and go to the site contact settings card here. From here, it's really easy to set up your site contact. You can just click this big green button. We're just going to edit an existing one. And here you can upload an image if you want one. You don't have to. Name, the usual contact details, so like phone number, email, social media profiles if you want. What's really cool here is if you have multiple languages enabled for your newsroom, you can choose whether each contact appears just for one language or for all of them. It's really good for localization. If you're going to be using your newsroom as a press kit, especially, I would suggest having at least one of your site contacts visible on your homepage, just because it makes it a lot easier for anyone from anywhere in your newsroom to find who to get in touch with. And you just save the contact and that's it. So now if we visit the site, we can see that the contact we just created appears on the homepage. And like I said, you can just drop in the same sort of contact card into any press releases or campaigns or anything you make in Prezly without having to input all that information again. And that's all. I hope that was helpful, and see you next time.